Ever dreamed of flying over the magic of Walt Disney World? Well, dream no more. Today we're taking a closer look at the Skyliner, a unique and exciting mode of transportation that's more than just a way to get from point A to point B. The Walt Disney World Skyliner opened in September 2019, and it's not only one of the coolest ways to travel, but I'd say it's also an attraction all on its own. With stops at a few resorts, Epcot, Hollywood Studios, and plenty of scenic views in between, the Skyliner gives you a unique perspective on Disney that you can't get anywhere else. First off, let's talk about why the Skyliner is perfect for a non-park day. Picture this. It's a relaxing morning, and instead of rushing to the parks, you glide through the skies, taking in amazing views of Disney World. It's peaceful, breezy, and the views are absolutely stunning. The Skyliner connects 4 major resorts: Disney's Caribbean Beach, Art of Animation, Pop Century, and Disney's Riviera Resort. Even if you're not staying at one of these, it's totally worth it to explore them. Each resort has something unique to offer. View the 2 amazing mosaic murals at Disney's Riviera Resort. Check out the artistry of Disney and Pixar movies at Art of Animation. Or explore the fads of the 1950s through the 1990s at Pop Century. It's like a mini resort hopping tour all from the sky. The best part? You can hop on and off at your leisure. Want a snack? Stop by with the quick service at one of these resorts. Feeling like an afternoon cocktail? Bar Riva at Riviera has a beautiful open-air pool bar. It's a perfect way to have a relaxing day without the crowds and lines. But the Skyliner isn't just a chill ride. It's also pretty fast and definitely a scenic way to get around Walt Disney World. So here's a pro tip if you're staying at a Skyliner resort. The Skyliner stations are strategically located right near the park entrances. So you can skip the buses and get a direct aerial ride to both Hollywood Studios and International Gateway at Epcot. Talk about a grand entrance. So with multiple stations connecting these resorts to Epcot and Hollywood Studios, it's a more relaxing alternative to walking or taking buses. It's like having your own personal aerial tour. Plus, every Skyliner gondola is decked out in Disney magic. You've got characters from Mickey and Minnie to Star Wars and Pixar favorites. So while you're traveling, you get a little dose of Disney storytelling too. I've taken the Skyliner a few times and it's a smooth ride. And trust me, even if you're a little nervous about heights, it's super relaxing. There's a breeze, and throughout the ride there's a narrator to tell you what you're passing below. Here are a few tips to make the most of your Skyliner experience. Plan your route. Check the Skyliner map to determine the best stations for your destination. Choose the right time and avoid peak hours for a more relaxed ride. Take advantage of the views. Bring your camera to capture stunning photos. And enjoy the ride. Sit back, relax, and soak in the magic. So whether you're looking for a fun, laid-back day without the parks, or an efficient way to get from your resort to the magic, the Skyliner has you covered. It's one of Disney's hidden gems, and once you try it, you'll wonder how you ever got around without it. Thanks for flying with me today. If you've enjoyed this video, hit the subscribe button and ring the bell so you don't miss any future Finding Your Disney tips and tricks. And let me know in the comments, have you tried the Skyliner yet? If so, what was your favorite part? See you in the next adventure.